Hello and welcome to a new entry for Show Ya Stuff, the official product unboxing and review series by MultiJames95. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to get more updates on content and videos like this. And please don't forget to leave this video a like. So we have here our new product, but before we open it, let's see what's inside. I'll just cut it open through here. Ooh, look at this. Eagles World Tour 2008. How nice to have this one in the collection. So, it's my favorite band, and it's of course my dad's favorite. So we just open it here. It's time that we love the Eagles and listen to them. They're playing good old songs and of course rock. Yep, this is their shadow, or I mean silhouettes at the back. And on the front, that's their name. Let's open it. So this is the North American leg. They went to Korea also during this tour, but this is the North American leg. I wonder where they shot this. A desert. It looks like Wahiba Sands in Oman. They haven't been there to Oman. They've only been to Dubai, UAE. But of course, they should be performing in Oman too. I'd love to see the Eagles performing in Oman. Especially they are covering the songs of Toto. These guys walking there. Don, Tim, boys, everybody in there enjoying time with the sands. And look at these. These are their equipment. Almost get the keyboards, the guitars, the drums, the percussion, drumsticks. Ooh, Don Henley uses wriggle tip. I'd love to get one of those signature sticks out there. And here are their photos in the show. Here they are. The late Glenn, he's bitterly missed. Guys doing the sound checks. Campsites. There you go. The guy's performing how long? A copy of the, what do you call this? Long Road Out of Eden. I'd be getting that one actually, even though it's so long already. So there's so many tours going on down here. And the credits. And that's the end of our book. And the Eagles are, of course, the best things to add to your collection if you love decent music. This guy is actually do a lot of songs for us. And of course, that they have influenced one Filipino band, which is known as Never the Strangers. If you know the song Moving Closer, they have this kind of Hotel California beat. And of course, the Eagles can perform some of the songs of Never the Strangers because they are like country vibe. And they could also do the songs of Toto because Toto and Eagles have a very strong friendship. And each member of the band has contributed to their success. So you know that it's always the best to have this one. And if, in your opinion, which song of Toto would you like the Eagles to cover? Just put it in the comments. And so that ends our review of this Eagles show. And I hope you enjoy it. And then I look forward to seeing you again in our next video.
All right, bud, welcome to the collection. On the shelf you go. I'm in severe credit card debt.
Hello there, it's MultiJames95. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and learned something today. And please subscribe to my channel to get more updates on content like this. If you want to support me or help me earn more, please donate to my PayPal, GCash, or even my Buy Me a Coffee and Patreon. The links are there in the description. And please do watch our next video. I hope you will like it. Thank you once again and see you next time. Bye.